I don't know how do you feed a cow? Tell me below.
I guess it's like a horse.
Yeah.
Ew. He slimed you.
Yeah. Here.
You're like a Robert.
Chicken fucker.
Good morning, people. We are heading out to New Mexico, but we're staying in Texas tonight.
I don't know where, I forget the name.
El Elizario something, south of El Paso. We're making our way to Carlsbad, New Mexico for the next gun show. But it's a 10-hour...
San Elizario. San Elizario.
It's a whole 10 hours to get there, so we're splitting up the drive.
And we're going to go to Texas.
So we're going to go to Texas to a dairy farm for 2 nights. You need to take this out, Jace.
What?
The tire thing?
Yeah. You talking about the yellow thing?
No. In between the tires. That's your left blinker. So we have a 5-hour drive today.
And we're late. Yeah.
We've got to dump somewhere.
Had a fucking...
Always check your lights, people. Just make sure everything's working. Right? Brake. Running lights. We had to completely fill our water because where we're going is not going to have water or electricity. So that'll be a new one for us. But we have a generator, we have gas, we have solar generators. We've never used them.
Miles to go. 2 hours and 50 minutes.
Not much out here. See all the dirt out there? I think they're riding around out there. So we're not very far from the border.
Tortillas? Tortilla? Look at the ghetto goes all the way to the bottom of the mountains. Crazy, man, crazy.
Peter Piper pizza?
Really? Circle K.
Little Caesars.
The destination is on your left. Arrived.
The next day.
Welcome to the Licon Dairy. It's south of El Paso, Texas. They have a petting zoo. They make their own cheeses, really good cheeses. Everything has, you know, natural ingredients, and you don't have to worry about anything like that. We are going to go check out the petting zoo. They have a bathroom, in case you're harvest hosting it, which we are. No charge either. It's a third generational dairy farm.
There's a cat.
Hi, kitty kitty. Getting some sun. Hey, donkey. Hi, you guys are
I
stinky.
think they're gonna bite me, aren't they?
I don't know.
No.
You guys are stinky. Yeah.
You guys are small.
It's a pigeon. I want something. Oh. They eat the corn. Hi. Hello. You guys are just as bad as them.
Chicken fucker.
Oh, that's a funny movie.
License and registration? Chicken fucker!
Oh, you were gonna talk. Oh, are you gonna feed the cow?
I don't know.
Make sure your hand's flat. I don't know if I've ever fed a cow before.
I don't know if I have either. Don't bite me.
Oh,
I don't know how do you feed a cow? Tell me below.
I guess it's like a horse. Ew. He slimed you.
Yeah. Here.
You're like a Robert. He's like, what am I supposed to do with that, man? Oh, you guys.
Stealing it all.
They don't eat the alfalfa pellets.
That was disgusting. I was like, what, fucker?
Okay, now.
Yeah. We should give you wipes for this shit.
Hi, aren't you cute? Not hungry? Hi,
You're not gonna slime me like the damn cow, are you?
you need water. Oh. Oh, that's a beggar.
I already fed you. Whoa.
Yeah.
We know what you guys are like.
Yeah, you gonna feed him? No.
Hell no. Should say don't feed.
Yeah, it should. You watch this. Be very careful around an ostrich.
Well, if you watch our previous videos, you know.
Yeah.
Ostrich. Let's see if they can catch it. Nope. Those ducks or geese?
Geesies, I don't know.
There's no way I'm feeding you. There's turkeys. You need a toothbrush. It's tiny.
Oh my goodness. Come here, you little boy. that little one? There he is. Oh, wow.
You guys are insane. The little ones don't need to worry about it sucking on its mom's teeth. I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Good morning.
Something wrong with its head.
Hello, babies.
Deer? I don't know. It's a buck.
You're huge. Yes, you are. So huge. Well, hello, beautiful. Hello. Are you nice? Okay. Hey, girls. Aren't you pretty?
There's the pig. I don't know.
Just chilling.
Emus and pigs living together. Oh, there's a parrot. Maybe that's what's making noise.
Oh, you're the one making all that noise. I ran out of food.
You're not supposed to go in that part, I guess. Chickens. What are those things? If you know what that is, comment below. What is that one?
Are they quails?
No. Way bigger than a quail. Some kind of dove. I'm gonna wash my hands. I got slime.
We want to buy that, but we don't have room in our freezer.
This place is Saturday and Sunday, 12 to 5.
Oh. We won't be here. Here's the good stuff.
Chili with whey.
We bought that. That.
Okay.
What's that?
Butter.
It's actually really good. That's why we're getting another one. And we got this.
No, no that.
The jalapeno one. That's really good.
$2.55 for that. Let's try the queso chihuahua. Oh, they have the whey too. Yeah, suero whey.
Really good prices.
Good, how are you? I'm gonna have to run out from the truck. No problem, no problem.
There's the places right there. Road trip. Travel date. 3 hours. Heading to Brantley Campground north of Carlsbad. It's on the lake. Hopefully it'll be pretty nice. You guys ready? You love your brother? Yes. Good boy. Hey, Robert. Hey, Robert. They're good boys. It's you.
Back it up.
Back it up.
Yeah. This place is popular.
They have good cheese. Come on. You can do it.
They're open from 6 to 5, 7 days a week. And if you're not going to be here in time, it doesn't matter.
No. They say they shut the gate, but we don't think they really do.
I've never seen it.